This video is going to be about the proposals and how to send a proposal to multiple customers with the same bid. So let's go into the bids. And as you scroll, we've already talked about this stuff up here. So if we go down, the proposal section is this section right here. As you can see right now, we have this bid set up to be bid to 5 different customers or 5 different general contractors. Now, why would you want to do that? You'd want to do that, of course, because it's not at all unusual for a job to be bid by multiple general contractors, and it's very possible that more than one of those general contractors are going to want a bid directly from you. So you can create the bid once, but here you can easily add them to your list. Here on this particular bid is 1 of 5. You can put in as many customers to a single bid as you want. And you can even, really, if you wanted to, you can go in and modify the price on one of them and not the others. So you can very easily adjust the dollar amount right here. If you have a customer that is more desirable than another customer, you may want to give your price to both of them, but you want to give a personal edge as a favor to the one that gives you most of the work. Well, the easy way to do is just put in a minus amount in here, and your total bid then will be, let's put it back into balance. Your total bid then will be lower than the other ones. So that is one way of doing that. Now, to keep track of that kind of stuff is you have 2 areas of notes for your bid. Your general notes here are the ones that show up actually on the proposal. But you have private notes right here. So if you have special notes that you're making that you want to not reveal to anybody else, you can, but you don't want to forget. So you keep your private notes in the bid notes right here, and they will always stay on this page, but they will never go out into your proposals. So now, as you're looking at your proposals, as you can see, you can have this here would be customer number 1. You go to the next one, be customer number 2, customer number 3. Now, when you pick the customer that you're looking at, you can now print the proposal either in general, or you can print it with your specific logo. So look at the general one first, and as you can see, it's just a general proposal. It has some information up here that does not always show up on the actual proposal. Let's look at the print preview. Right here, you see the buttons go away, and you have what the print preview looks right here. It's very generic. You got some information of the plan and the garage, because those are the 2 plans that we have in the bid. So we'll go ahead and close it. Now, of course, when you back into the general proposal, you can look at the print preview, or you can actually print it. If you press this, it'll bring up your regular print dialog, and you can print your print. You pick your printer and whatever other information you need. But I'm going to close this for now. So the other way is the proposal and logo. So when you pick this version, you actually have a logo that is embedded right here. Now, the logo is in the files that were in the setup for your program, and but they can be anywhere on your hard drives. So if you want to put in your own logo, which I'm sure you're going to want to, all you really have to do is click the browse button, and it'll browse to either the last place where you were at, or you can actually browse to, it's a regular Explorer. You go anywhere on your network or your hard drive. And here, once you have a folder with your logo pictures in there, you can simply pick whichever one you want. So we'll take a look at this one, and we'll put it on. And we will see right away that this one comes through, and there it is. So it's as easy as that to create whatever logo you want. Now, of course, the logos here are generic, and they're not really something that would pertain, but you can create your own, or you can have one made, however you want to do it, and then you just put it on your hard drive, browse to the location of that logo, and it picks right up immediately. So that's how easy that one is. And of course, if you're going to add a new customer, you would click the button over here to add a new customer. Now, just to verify, see, this is customer number 3. So if we come back to go customer number 1 and we go to either proposal, and it'll show right here, customer number 1. So they all show up in accordance to what you got. One more thing, the customer has a drop-down button here. So that means that anytime you put a customer in here, either manually or any other way you put them in there, it'll automatically go to the list. They'll automatically be there next time around. So you can scroll on your list and see, like here you got customer number 1 through 7. So you click customer number 1 through 7, and if you notice, as soon as you click it, it populates all of his information. So again, this is one of the many features that where it minimizes the amount of effort that it takes personally to type everything in and make it work. So again, it's a fair amount of material, but when you get using it, you realize how fast it is to move on and get all of your information in there. And of course, I'm sure you've already looked at the video where you can copy an entire plan and move the entire plan over to a whole nother job. So the beginning of this program is going to be the one that takes a little bit more work because you have to set up the way that you bid. This is for you. This is not something generically made for you by somebody else. This is generically made that where you can be any subcontractor and you can create the bids in your style. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for paying attention, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a great day.